How to add discount banner in your Wix Studio website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or create a discount banner in your Wix Studio website. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then choose the website. I'm going to choose this one. You can click on it and then you will be in that website dashboard. As you can see, now you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So let's say I want to add a discount banner here. So I'm gonna add a new section here. After that, we're gonna create grid layout. You can click add an element, layout tools. And then as you can see, there is some section grids. I'm gonna choose this one. You can drag and drop. And then this is our section grid. So we can add new here. Now we can adjust it like the size. You can make it bigger or smaller. I'm gonna make it like this. And now you can select this section, this cell. You can select layer and then choose the cell, this one, and then it will lock to this cell. Then you can open inspector, then go to background, then click on the color picker and then you can change the background color. It's up to you. Maybe this one, or maybe I think this is good. And for the background it's done. Now we have to add a text, so we can add an element here and then go to text, can click on it and like this. Then you can type maybe discount up to 35% only today, and then we are gonna adjust it like this and make it in the center. That's good. Now we can just change the color if you want, but I think it's good. And now we can also make it moving, like it's moving from left to right or to right to left. So we're gonna select this text, select layer, choose this text, and then open the inspector again. And then we're gonna go to animation and effects, and then choose loop here, open it and click add. And we're gonna choose cross here. So it will be like this, it's moving from left to right. You can also adjust the animation. You can change the direction, maybe from left. And then what the duration if you want to make it longer. And yeah, it's up to you. So if we preview it, it'll be like this. So I think that's it, how to add a discount banner in your Studio website. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.